girls, I'm back here with another video, and this one is going to be on curling your hair without any heat. Now, I've seen this one quite a bit on like TikTok and things like that, so I figured why not try it out for myself, and you guys can try it too. And also, I just want to say a really big thank you and welcome to everyone that's subscribed to my channel, and all the new subscribers and all the existing subscribers. I just want to say a big thank you, the support and everything that I'm getting, I really appreciate it. So thank you. My hair's a bit purple, and that is purely because I purple shampooed it and left it on for too long. But yeah, don't try that at home. So what heatless curl am I going to be doing, do you ask? Do you have a dressing gown at home? I hope so, because you're going to need it. All you're going to need for this video is a...
What are these?
Yeah, it's just completely up to you. So, I'm going to start by dampening my hair a bit, because apparently dampening it is a lot better. It works better apparently. And you don't want it to be drenched apparently either. She says damp. I think it's dripping wet now. Put a bit more. So, I've never done this before, so this is literally my honest opinions. And you just want to meet it at the ends, so you've got the middle. And the middle bit you want to put in your parting. And then what we're going to do is just pull it forward so the row bit rests on top of your ears. Or maybe just behind your ears. I don't really know. And then you're just going to secure that in with the bobby pin. And then you're just going to want to get your hair into two sections. Please excuse my hair colour because, yeah, lockdown. So we're going to take a section like that, and apparently the bigger the section the better. So what you're going to want to do is, with this first section, you want to get it all like this, and you just want to pick this up, push the hole back for a minute. You can clip the other side out of the way, but yeah, and you're just going to wrap that round like that. And then from the back, you're going to want to make sure that you meet it, in the middle. Okay, so, what you're going to want to do, I kind of want to try and keep it neatish. Hopefully to get, the best results. I'm really trying to, okay, and then you're going to wrap this top bit going under, like this, like that. Okay, so this one goes out and so the front bit needs to come this, towards your face, when you've wrapped it, it needs to come back out towards your face, and the opposite side needs to come out to the back, so that you can try and make sure. And then this side goes over and back out, like that. Can you kind of see that? So this side goes wrapping round and out that side wraps around back this side. So then we're going to go back to the front, taking quite a big chunk, like that. And I mean, this might take a bit of practice if you're not that good with your hair. And then we're going to just merge those two front bits together. So I'm going to hold the bit underneath that I don't need to wrap for a minute, and I'm going to wrap that top bit round. I hope that will work. And then you're going to take this part out, and then take another section in the back, and again meet that in the middle. And then grab all of that, and then I'm going to hold all of that in the middle, does it go? Here it is in my hand. And then wrap that round. Ooh, hair there. Wrap that front piece all the way around and grab that. So it looks like this now. And then I am pulling this quite tight, to be honest. So yeah. Okay, so we've got all that. Then we're going to take another section and merge that into that one. So like this one here. More from the front. I'm going to take a piece like that, and then wrap that round, and wrap it round like that, and take this piece out, and then hold this piece, and then might grab all of this last piece in. It might be kind of loose here. Film. And then I'm going to finish there because I'm running out of hair. And I'm taking my small band. Just going to attempt to run that through. One in. Okay, so, right. This bit. Go in, over, under this bit, So I was just editing through my video and I come to realise that I didn't tell you guys that I'm going to be uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so I'm going to be becoming more consistent with my videos. So I thought I'd let you know now whilst I'm speeding up bits through my video. I
just thought I'd let you guys know, so make sure you stay tuned for Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and so that you can look out for my videos. I'm not quite sure on timing yet, but I will be coming up with some timings as well to get even more consistent. I hope you're enjoying the videos, and thank you all. Make sure you like and subscribe.
But like, if you can like do it more back. But I mean, this is my first time actually trying it. I just had the idea and I was like, oh, that'd be quite good to try out, and if it works and obviously people can use it, think of me as your guinea pig. Now, I have seen in a video where they didn't know what to do with these bits, so they like lifted them up and tied it on top like this. Do you know what I look like? Leave a comment. Leave a comment on what you think I look like. I'd love to see that. I'm gonna tie a pretty bow. Why not? Oh, that didn't really work, did it? That's my pretty bow. Okay, that's gonna annoy me still. Can I like do it like this? Let's twist that a bit. Okay. So this is my finished look, and I hope you like it. This is what it looks like from the back, side, and from the front. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so that's in, and I obviously can't take it out right now. So I'm gonna leave this in overnight, and yeah, we'll see what happens. This is gonna be like a second for you, but it's gonna be all night for me. So at least you get the excitement in a second, and I've got to wait all night to see the finished results. I really want to see your comments on what you think I look like right now, because I think this looks hilarious. So it is the next morning, and it is now the moment of truth. Let's find out if it worked. I'm really intrigued. Okay, so I'm really intrigued to see if. Okay. Bands are out. Okay, so I'm seeing some sort of curve wall. I mean, okay, so it's curly. I mean, so it's definitely curly. I'll show you it from the back. I find when it's too curly, it just annoys me around the face. I actually done this in one of my previous YouTube videos, so I'll put the link in the description below, so if you haven't seen that, you can go and watch it and learn how I create some of my favourite hairstyles. So this is how I would probably wear it, and I'm probably going to wear it for the rest of the day. that is the finished look. I mean, I would definitely recommend to try it on your own hair and see how it comes out. If you find it does go a bit too frizzy, put some serum in or anything like that. And yeah, I think when I tied it at the ends, I kind of like, it's kind of gone a bit buckled and sort of thing, but yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe and join my family of subscribers. And I will see you soon on another video. Thanks.